Hi, Brian here with our 1966 Chevy Bel Air. We thought we'd showcase this one a little bit. We've had this one around for a little bit. It came originally from the US. It's a southern car. Not an original factory 427, but it has now a 390 horse 427. It's a numbers correct engine for the car. Remember where the hood latch is. So it was done in the flavor of the cars in that year, where this was a basic utilitarian car but built with performance in mind, because 390 horse 427, as you can see, power brakes but standard steering, no power steering. There was no additives on it that it didn't need. Whatever wasn't needed is gone. As you can see here, it has a a heater delete plate in the firewall, so no heater, so made for frosty nights. So you want to keep that wife happy. Big heavy duty 3-core rad. Everything was sort of based for as a basic car, but with performance in mind with the 427. If we move around inside here, another thing that they didn't feel that they needed was radio. So it's radio delete, heater delete, just your basic bare bones car, right? It is fawn beige, cameo beige with fawn interior. Now it has the fawn seats and fawn interior, but the outside has now been painted lemon wood yellow, which wasn't the original color, but a real popular color in that year. So this thing has been done from one end right to the other. It's a complete and total rebuild. It has in the back here, attention to detail. It's all been Roxtoned on the trunk here. That's all been brought up. New weather strips. Everything has been done to the 9th degree, but not in the way that it's overdone and you can't drive and enjoy this car. It's also equipped, as you can see here, that it's got a positive traction 12-bolt rear end in it, and that really wakes the car up. Show you here. We get back inside. It's got the steel wheels, dog dish hubcaps. Complete dual exhaust front to back, done with stock style mufflers so that it's not really loud, but it still gives you that exhaust note that lets you know there's a little bit of power in it. This is a great all-around driving car. I actually drove this car home from Toronto. It's got really good manners. Your neighbor can get in and drive it, but when you want to have a little fun, it's there. So I'm just gonna put it back in the line. Just for you baby boomers around my age,